Number 3, circle which function is greater at h of 3, j of 3, f of 3, g of 3. So it wants me to figure out which value for y is greater where x is 3 for all of these. Now for the table, it's pretty easy to say that j of x is definitely at 3 bigger than h of x, which is 240. So I can already kind of strike out h of 3. That just means where h of x is 3, what is y? So 240 compared to j of x when it's 3 is 864. So j of x is definitely taking the cake so far. But I do not know about f of x and g of x. So I'm going to plug these two in my calculator, and I only care about where x is 3. So for the quadratic here, f of x and y. So when f of x is 3, what is y? So you have a graphing calculator, make good use of that. 3x squared plus 5x plus 3, and then I'm going to put it in a table, and if you see the table, where x is 3, y is 45. So where x is 3, y is 45. So far I have j of x, which is 864, and f of x, which is 45, which I can eliminate f of x now. So it's looking like it's between j and g of x. So now I'm going to plug g of x in. I think I know that I have a good idea what it's going to end up being, but I'm going to test it anyways. So plugging in to my calculator exactly as it appears, using parentheses to kind of make sure things don't get mixed up, especially if it's the TI-83 that you're using. So just to show you what I'm plugging in, 0.25 times 2 raised to the x power, which is exactly how it appears there. Then second graph, and then, yep, when x is 3, y is only 2 for this one. So when x is 3, y is only 2. So g of x and y. So I can eliminate g of 3. So really, it's much larger than any of the other ones. J, when x is 3 for j of x, it is the largest value for y.